Tip Cymraeg yr wythnos, Welsh Language Tip of the Week. Ar wythnos hon, da ni am ganolbwyntio ar y treigladau, and this week we'll be focusing on the mutations. Da chi'n cofio, yn Gymraeg, mae 3 math wahanol o dreigladau. Do you remember in Welsh that there are 3 different types of mutations? Y treiglad meddal, y treiglad trwynol, a'r treiglad llaes. So we have the soft mutation, the nasal mutation, and the aspirate mutation. Heddiw, da ni am ganolbwyntio ar y treiglad llaes. Today, we'll be focusing on the aspirate mutation. Mae'r treiglad llaes yn achosi I tair llythyren newid. The aspirate mutation only knocks on or has an effect on 3 letters in Welsh, and those are c, p, t. You may notice from the table that we add a h to each letter. So the c turns to a ch, the p to a f, a t to th. Ond, pa geiriau sy'n achosi treiglad llaes? But which letters cause an aspirate mutation? These words here cause that mutation. A, meaning and. A, her. The numbers 3 and chwech, 3 and 6. The word approximately, tua. And the word for with, gyda, or an A with a to bach and A with a roof on the top. So A, 3, chwe or chwech, tua, gyda, and A all cause a treiglad llaes, an aspirate mutation. Here are some enghreifftiau. Here are some examples of sentences where the treiglad llaes is missing. Pause the screen and have a go at completing those sentences. Da chi'n barod am yr atebion? Are you ready for the answers? Mae ei thrwyn hi'n goch. So the t in thrwyn, meaning nose, has aspirately mutated to thrwyn. Ei thrwyn, her nose. Her nose is red. Mae tri plentyn ganddi mutates to mae tri phlentyn ganddi. The p to a f noise. Mae tri phlentyn ganddi. She has 3 children. Mae gen I gi a cath. Mae gen I gi a chath. So the c is turned to a ch. I have a dog and a cat. Gai I gwpanau a fflatiau. May I have cups and plates? Cysylltwch a thiwtor y bwrdd iechyd. Contact the health board tutor. Roedd mam y babi yn troi a throsi drwy'r nos. The baby's mum was tossing and turning throughout the night. Eisteddodd 600 o bobl yn y theatr. 600 people sat in the theatre. Torrodd hi ei choes yn yr ardd. She broke her leg in the garden. Rhaid cyrraedd yn ôl tua 5 o'r gloch. You must arrive back approximately at 5 o'clock. Es I gyda 3 ffrind. I went with 3 friends. Cofiwch, remember, the aspirate mutation only affects 3 letters, c, p, and t. And in the box coch and in the red box below are the words that cause that aspirate mutation. Diolch yn fawr iawn am wrando. A chofiwch, defnyddiwch eich Cymraeg. And remember to use your Welsh. Hwyl fawr!